inspired me from the very start. You are a dancer that just expresses, and you really opened yourself to us dati. You shared your gift, everything you learned, and your spiritual walk with the Lord. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yun. And for your birthday, yan, I hope you'll be happy. I hope that all the desires of your heart bibigay ni Lord. And just continue to grow with Him, and He will align your life. I wish you all the best. And yun, continue to inspire me. Love ya!
Hi James! Happy birthday! Sobrang inspiration talaga ito sa pagsasayaw. Sa Indayog pa lang, grabe. Ang dami na natin pinagsamahan. Thank you kasi pinakita mo sa amin paano maging dancer for God and para yung gets, malikot yung puwet mo kasi I mean, hindi ka umupo kapag nasa studio ka. As in, sayaw ka lang na sayaw. And it really inspires us to be a better person and a better dancer for God. I pray na para sa birthday mo, maging create ka ni God today, that day. So, ikaw na,
Just
nervous!
God bless, and yun, we wish you all the best.
Yes!
Yay!